checking out my pear tree. This guy usually gives me lots of pears, but for some reason last year gave me one. This year looks like it's gonna be the opposite. Thank goodness, because she gives awesome fruit. Delicious. Okay, then flowers so pretty. Oh, gelato, stop. My own cat trying to trip me while I'm filming here. She's a funny girl. Nah. Alright, just sharing my pear tree. Love it. Folks, you have a wonderful Thursday. Be safe out there. Enjoy. Oh, I see bees. Yes, yes, we need more bees. Talk to you later. Thanks again. Bye for now.